Hey guys, this is Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some new products that I ordered. It's the Pure Oils by Silk Elements. Every time I try a new product, I try to get some help, and you know who I'm going to get help from? My kiddos. And you guessed it, we're going to be doing another Wash and Go series.
Hey, my name is Jonathan and welcome back to another Wash and Go series.
Hey guys, it's Yana and welcome back to another Wash and Go series. My hair has just been washed.
Today we're using Pure Oils.
I started with Pure Oils Deep Treatment Mask.
This is a deep conditioner. It smells like soap. Now I'm gonna dig a little bit out there. Here. Now that's how you do your hair.
Now my hair is going to be smelling like peppermint.
This has been in my hair for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Now we're gonna rinse.
Rinse it off.
Now we're gonna have to start all the way back over.
No.
But my hair is messed up again. Next, we're gonna put in the moisturizing marmalade. Moisturizing marmalade. Moisturizing marmalade.
Not a lot. Okay, you do your side. I got this side.
Well, I'm trying to help you.
You can do your side. That's how you help. Do your side.
Look, Mama, look how it's not tangled up. It's not tangled up, see? My side is not tangled up, but your side is not either. I can't see.
You don't need to see.
I'm not gonna use a jelly because I don't think I need it because I'll make your hair jelly. We're gonna skip this one. I'll see you guys when my hair is dry.
So my hair is dry.
Finished. Now we need to look at the back and turn around. How does it look now? Okay, now next part. Next part. Next part. And next part. Can check yours.
What I found out is I didn't need to mix moisture marmalade with the jelly curls. I literally thought because I ordered this online, I thought that this was actually like a cream, like a conditioner leave-in type of moisturizing cream. And really looking at it now, it's a styling product. It's a styling gel, but it's kind of a cream, where this is a regular gel. So this wasn't enough for me or Yana for it to not have frizz once it dried, but this was enough for Buddy. So for a little extra hold, I just kind of got some Eco Style and rubbed it in my hand with some water and like just comb my hair through to give it some extra hold, just so it won't get super frizzy.
So, did you like it? Give a thumbs up if you liked it. So that's all for today. Bye. And push the subscribe button. And the bell. Don't forget to get your notification and know when we make more videos.
Have you guys subscribed yet? The subscribe button is on your phone, on my screen.
I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. As always, stay natural, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Bye. See you guys next time we upload a video. Bye.